Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Kent Rollins Cookbook is probably one of the most authentic and comprehensive guides to cowboy cooking available, offering a unique blend of traditional recipes and modern techniques that will inspire you to create delicious and hearty meals, perfect for sharing with friends and family around a crackling campfire or a cozy kitchen table, taking you on a culinary journey through the heart of the American West with its rich history and timeless traditions. Number 5. Cowboy Ranch Recipes. Get ready to saddle up for a culinary adventure. This collection is filled with authentic recipes and captivating stories from the American frontier. Discover time-tested recipes passed down through generations of cowboys. It's hearty, flavorful food that will transport you to the heart of the ranch. These aren't just recipes, they're tales of life on the trail. Each dish has a story, bringing the history and culture of the American West to life. Experience the true taste of the cowboy life with these authentic recipes. They're simple, delicious, and perfect for sharing with friends and family. It's a journey through time, a celebration of heritage, and a delicious exploration of cowboy culture. This book offers a unique and unforgettable experience. These recipes are perfect for sharing. Gather your loved ones and create unforgettable memories around the table, just like cowboys of old. What we like. It's filled with authentic ranch recipes and captivating stories from the trail. If you crave a taste of the cowboy life and enjoy reading about their experiences, this cookbook is perfect for you. It offers a unique blend of culinary adventure and storytelling, making it ideal for those who appreciate a good story alongside their meal. What people say. Part storybook, part history, and a whole lot of great recipes. Photography, by his wife, is incredible. Each recipe is accompanied by stories that bring to life the cowboy way of life, making this book not only a culinary adventure but also a cultural experience. The recipes exude every bit of my first sentence and more. The food you will prepare is not at all difficult, it does not require you to run to a dozen different specialty grocery shops to buy ingredients, it is wholesome, delicious and filling. The book itself is a top-notch read, and full of humor. It is a quality hardcover print job, and constructed to last at least a few accidents in your kitchen as you prepare some of the dishes. Number 4. Hormel Spam Cookbook. Unleash your culinary creativity with 100+ recipes. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a gateway to delicious possibilities. Explore a world of Spam recipes, from classic comfort food to exciting gourmet creations. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Transform your favorite dishes with Spam. Learn how to add unique flavors and textures to ramen, pizza, and more. It's packed with quick and easy recipes, perfect for busy weeknights. Enjoy delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Discover creative ways to use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's incredibly versatile and adaptable to any meal. Unlock the hidden potential of this iconic ingredient. It's time to rethink what you thought you knew about this versatile canned meat. What we like. This cookbook explores the versatility of Spam, showcasing both traditional and gourmet recipes. If you're looking for creative ways to use Spam and enjoy unexpected flavor combinations, this is the cookbook for you. It's perfect for adventurous cooks who want to elevate simple ingredients into delicious meals. What people say. The recipes inside range from super easy to a bit more difficult, but everything was super yummy and easy to follow. It has a bunch of recipes I will be trying that sound so good and easy. The other thing I really liked is it is printed on very heavy glossy paper and it has awesome pictures and easy directions that go with each recipe. I particularly like the bow tie salad with bits of cooked Spam, a variety of vegetables, and an amazing vinaigrette dressing. Teriyaki kebabs were good as well. Number 3. Dutch Oven Cast Iron Cooking. Welcome to the world of Dutch oven cooking. This cookbook is your guide to mastering this versatile cookware, whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef. Get ready to explore a world of flavor. Start your day with delicious and hearty breakfasts. From fluffy pancakes to savory egg dishes, it has recipes to satisfy every taste. These recipes are simple to follow and yield amazing results. Discover the secrets to baking incredible bread in your Dutch oven. It's easier than you think. The recipes provide step-by-step instructions for perfectly crusty loaves. Prepare impressive and flavorful main courses with ease. It offers a wide variety of recipes, from comforting stews to succulent roasts. Each recipe is designed for optimal Dutch oven cooking. Complement your meals with perfectly cooked sides. It includes recipes for roasted vegetables, creamy gratins, and more. These sides are simple to prepare and add a touch of elegance to any meal. Indulge in delightful desserts baked to perfection. It features a collection of sweet treats, from cobblers to cakes. These recipes are sure to impress your family and friends. This cookbook is perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Take advantage of its versatility, whether you're cooking in your kitchen or over an open fire. Enjoy the best of both worlds. What we like. It's your go-to guide for mastering Dutch oven and cast iron cooking, offering a wide array of recipes. If you enjoy the rustic charm of cast iron cooking and want to expand your culinary skills, this is the cookbook for you. It's perfect for those who love creating delicious meals both indoors and outdoors. What people say. I really like the information and recipes that it contains. If you wish to get into Dutch oven cooking or just want to learn how to take care of your cast iron pans, I think you will enjoy this book. It's extremely well written, and the presentation is excellent. Beautiful pictures, and while it is paperback, it's pretty rugged, so it will take some punishment if you're taking it out on a trip. The author starts with some background and history on cast iron and cooking with it. It's also peppered with little bits of information that you will find useful, such as a trick for keeping mosquitoes away. There is an excellent assortment of recipes inside, each of which is laid out clearly and easy to follow. Number 2. Cowboy Cookbook for Beginners. Howdy, partners. Get ready to saddle up for a culinary adventure. This cookbook is your ticket to authentic cowboy cooking, filled with recipes that'll make your mouth water. From hearty stews to mouth-watering roasts, it features classic ranch recipes passed down through generations. These dishes are perfect for a cozy night in or a lively gathering. It also includes campfire recipes, perfect for those nights under the open sky. These recipes are simple, delicious, and easy to prepare, no matter where your adventures take you. Fire up the grill and get ready for some sizzling masterpieces. This cookbook offers a variety of recipes perfect for grilling, adding a smoky flavor to your cowboy cuisine. These recipes are so good, they would have made even Billy the Kid's mouth water. Prepare to impress your friends and family with these legendary dishes. Beyond the recipes, it offers helpful tips and techniques to elevate your cowboy cooking skills. Become a true culinary cowboy with these expert secrets. What we like. It offers a wide variety of authentic ranch, campfire, and grill recipes, perfect for beginners. If you're new to cowboy cooking but want to create delicious meals, this is the cookbook for you. It's perfect for those who want to master the art of cowboy cooking without the intimidation. What people say. They are hearty meals that are meant to be fixed in one pot and meant to feed a crowd. You can cook the food outside, grill, open fire, etc., or you can inside in the oven or stovetop. There are a lot of recipes in this cookbook that is made in a big pot that can be cooked on an open fire or on your stove. They have step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. Number 1. Easy Campfire Cookbook. This cookbook makes campfire cooking easier than ever. It's filled with simple recipes perfect for your next outdoor adventure. Discover delicious skillet meals cooked right over the campfire. These recipes are easy to follow and clean up is a breeze. Get creative with our flavorful skewer recipes. They're fun to make and perfect for sharing with friends and family. Unleash your inner chef with our Dutch oven recipes. They're perfect for hearty stews and amazing breads. Foil packet meals are simple, cleanup is minimal, and they're great for individual portions. Let's get cooking. Learn the basics of cooking over flames and coals. Master different cooking techniques for perfectly cooked meals every time. What we like. This cookbook focuses on simple and easy campfire recipes, perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. If you love the convenience and flavor of campfire cooking but want simple recipes, this is the cookbook for you. It's perfect for those who want delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. What people say. Really nice camping cookbook, excited to bring it on those years camping trip. I knew a few of these recipes, but it's extremely nice to actually have everything written down, sorted, with nice photos, accurate measurements and necessary equipment all in one handy little book. I love this book. It's easy to read and execute the recipes, which makes it a great option for campfire cooking rookies and veterans alike. First, the recipes are unique and delicious with options for every course plus cocktails. For folks who are just getting started with campfire cooking, it even has great advice on handling ingredients, how to build your fire, when the fire is ready to cook on, a list of essential tools and even the best way to pack the cooler. This book is an easy read and great reference book for meals cooked over an open fire. Todd shares excellent tips and recipes that have detailed instructions. Anyone can follow these delicious recipes from beginners to the experienced campers. I really enjoyed the substitution tips and prep tips, many I never thought of. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.